Right, something I wanted to show you for, I know the holiday season's coming up now. I've been using a product from Kactoily, you know, I've done a lot of work with Kactoily, and I got hold of one of their products, which is a game changer for me when you go on holiday. I've used it on different holidays, even when I'm out about in England. So when you think about it, I'll give you the scenario. When you're out on holiday and one of your questions is, can I drink the water? Can I brush my teeth in the water? Is the water good to drink? You know, wherever you are in the world. And this thing will give you the answer. This is a water quality tester. Brilliant little tool. Game changer when you go on holiday. I take it on every holiday we go on now. And it's so simple to use as well. I'll show you. So you're out on holiday, you've got a drink of water and you want to test to see if this water is okay to drink or not. So you get your Kactoily tester, take the end off, turn it on, put it in the water, press the N to make it work, and wait. And there you go, it tells me in seconds that this water is 92, scores a high 92, which is excellent. Dead impressed with this, and it's just so easy to use. Dunk it in, press the N, it measures it, gives it a couple of seconds, bang, there you go, there's the answer. Really, really good. I used this when we were out. I've done a couple of holidays now where I've used this. We went to, on the last cruise when we went to Greece, we were actually stood up on the Acropolis, blistering hot weather, ran out of water, went to this little water fountain that you can see here and tested the water in there, and it told me it was good. Wasn't excellent, but it was told me it was good to drink, because I wasn't sure. There was loads of people putting their fingers all over it, and I thought I'm going to test it before I actually use it. So I put the Kactoily tester in and it told me it was good to drink, so we did. So fantastic. And even if you're out with your dog playing near open water, you can test the water to make sure if your dog drinks it, your dog will be nice and safe. Go on, Beck. And if you stop off at your local pub on the way back for a cheeky half, you can even test the little bowls they leave out for the dogs for the drinking water. So this is a game changer for me. Wherever you're going in the world, take one of these Kactoily water testers. It gives you all the ideas of whatever all the results are on the back, and everything goes on every holiday. It goes wherever we go now, so I can test the water. You can even test the water in your pond. In fact, I tell you what, I remember ages ago seeing somebody who actually said that their water's so clean and clear that they could drink it. I've got some pretty clear, clean water now. Let's get a little jug and test this water in the pond, see if it's drinkable. I really doubt it, but let's try. Right, there's my little jug of water from the pond. Let's see what it does. There you go, it's instantly turned red and told me that this water only scores a score of 33 and is poor, so I should not be drinking this water out of the pond. Who would? So if you think this is the way forward for your future tech to take on holiday, or wherever you go on holiday, maybe in the UK, I don't know, maybe abroad, wherever around the world, to test your drinking water, go to Kactoily.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you'll get discount whenever you put the Koi Pond Lifestyle in the discount code bit from Kactoily. Cracking little tool. Never leave home without it.